okay, right here. It's assisted dips day. That's what we're starting out with, okay? Starting out with assisted dips, 35 pounds. Let's do some reps. Okay, this time I'm going to try and do, my goal in my mind is to do 10 or 11 at 35. So let's see what happens. Okay, we're close enough for rock and roll. That was 11. Okay, that was 11 good ones. So, reset the watch and come back in 3 minutes. Okay, it's really important, stay hydrated. I suck at hydration, okay? I'm not very good at it. I forget, and I like to drink coffee. This is water. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Still at 35 pounds. I'm gonna try and do 8. I'm gonna try and do my best to do 8. If I can do more than that, that's great. But my goal in my head, my micro adjustment is 8. Nine. I did 9 at 35. Reset for 3 minutes. We're gonna go up to 40 now, okay? See you in 3 minutes. It's on the 10 setting. And it's on the 30 setting. So it's on 10 plus 30 is 40 pounds, okay? It's the Life Fitness. This is one of my favorite machines. And today we're doing the assisted dips. Okay, we reset it to 40. It's been a little over 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see if we can do like 11 or 12. It was 11. That was 11 at 40. That was my 4th set, okay? Reset the watch for 3 minutes. So, almost 3 minutes. It's January. I'm 3 days away from my 66th birthday. This morning on the scale, I weighed 178.4. Okay, my goal is to get to about 172. Most of last year, I was probably about 175. Gained a little bit over the holidays, but 178, not a bad weight for me. So if I take that 35 off of that, because this is a negative machine, to explain a little bit more. But that's basically like I'm doing weights for 178 minus 30 would be 148. You take another 5 off that, it's like 143. Okay. So let's see how many we can get this time. I'm going to set my goal for 10. Nine. I got 9. Was going for 10, but I got 9. So that was the micro adjustment. On the 5th set, went down to 9, or went down to 40 and did 9 reps. Okay, I just finished 2 sets of 30 push-ups each. Here at home. It's been about an hour since I first started the routine today. I started with those 6 sets of the assisted dips. I went to 3 sets of the lat raises. Then I did 3 sets of the rear delt machine with the Life Fitness machine. And then I did 2 sets at home of push-ups. So it's like 17 total sets in probably about an hour and 10 minutes, I suppose. 3 minutes rest in between sets, okay? Today, and I'll show you this later with a picture of it and show you what I'm gonna do with all this. But at the gym, I tracked it all. I just scribbled it today. Sometimes I put that in my phone. Now, the muscles we were working on, we'll show you real quick here. Okay, again, gonna be 66 in 3 days. I'm about 5-6 pounds over where I ideally like to be. But today, seemed like we worked the triceps, try to work with the rear delts here, and then the chest, okay? Let's see, what else? Some on the shoulders, of course, with the extensions on the shoulders, okay? So again, what we did today was we followed our track, adjust, and then own it philosophy, okay? We tracked everything that we were doing. We wrote it all down. We've got it here on the piece of paper with our plan, and then tracking everything we did. Adjustments, now I'll show you what I'm going to do with this piece of paper next, how we're going to plan the next session. That'll be in a couple minutes here. I'll go up and put that in my computer and I'll print it all out and show you how it works for you folks. We're going to adjust it and then we're going to own it, okay? This is what I did today. I've got a plan moving forward, but this is unique to me. You do you, okay? As the younger generation is so fond of saying, you do you. One more thought that I had that I wanted to share with everybody. I've still got to write down all my tracking stuff and put it on this video. But it is so important to acknowledge and say, thank you. Thank you, Craig, for doing this today. Thank you for getting up, going to the gym, doing the workout, doing the best I could on most of those sets and pushing through, okay? So, obviously I say thank you, Craig, You've got to say thank you to yourself, okay? Because we're doing this to be good to ourselves. We're not doing this to go, I'm never going to be Mr. Muscles, okay? I'm just not. I want to live a long time. I want to hold those grandkids as long as I can. I want to keep lifting them up. I want to dance at their weddings, okay? You got this. Go for it.